The QIDI MAX3 High-Speed 3D printer offers remarkable printing speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, making it a top choice for those who need efficiency without sacrificing quality. With its large build volume of 325 by 325 by 315 millimeters, this printer accommodates a wide variety of projects, from small prototypes to larger models. Designed with an ultra-stable all-metal frame and robust components, the QIDI MAX3 ensures smooth and consistent printing with minimal maintenance required. The printer's direct drive extruder and versatile material compatibility allow it to handle a range of filaments, including high-performance options like PA12-CF and ABS-GF, providing flexibility for various applications. Equipped with an enclosed chamber heating system and dual cooling fans, the QIDI MAX3 delivers exceptional print quality and precision, making it ideal for intricate designs and detailed projects. Running on open-source Clipper firmware, the QIDI MAX3 offers easy remote control and customization options, supported by user-friendly QIDI Slicer software for efficient print management.